Wag. Wag. The dog wags its tail. Gloomy. Gloomy. He looks gloomy after the test. Startle. Startle. The loud noise startled me. Weary. Weary. I feel weary after school. Sorrow. Sorrow. He felt sorrow when his fish died. Console. Console. Mom consoled me when I cried. Compel. Compel. The teacher compels us to listen. Adore. Adore. She adores her grandma. Mock. Mock. Don't mock your friends. Incite. Incite. His words incited anger. Terrified. Terrified. I was terrified of the dark. Stagger. Stagger. She staggered with heavy bags. Snuggle. Snuggle. She snuggled with her teddy bear. Leap. Leap. She leaped with excitement. Wander. Wander. He wandered around the park. Slam. Slam. He slammed the door hard. Overjoyed. Overjoyed. She was overjoyed to get a gift. Astound. Astound. The big news astounded us. Limp. Limp. He limped after falling.